In this video, I'm going to show you how to check TikTok Shop commission. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app. And once you have opened up your TikTok tab, you want to click on TikTok Studio. Once you have clicked on it, you will get a screen that looks like something like this. But what interests you is this TikTok Shop for Seller. So you basically want to tap on that. And then here you can sign up to sell more with TikTok Shop. Now, of course, this is not available for all countries. So if it's not available in your country, you potentially have to wait some time. You can always check up their sites, but basically here you sign up. And if you go back and go to under monetization and you tap on view all, you are going to see your current balance. As you can see, I have at the moment $0, but here you will see everything to need, how much money you made from commissions and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.